In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Loom folder. This process is straightforward and will help you share your valuable content effectively. Let's dive right in. First, open a browser and search for Loom. You can use any web browser you prefer, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Just type in Loom in the search bar and hit enter. On your screen, you will see various links related to Loom. It's essential to ensure you are on the official Loom website to avoid any phishing sites. This step is crucial because accessing the correct site ensures your information remains secure. Next, click on the correct link and log in if prompted. You should see the official Loom homepage. If you're already logged in, you'll be taken straight to your dashboard. If not, enter your credentials to access your account. This could be your email and password or a single sign-on option if you use one. Logging in is important because it gives you access to your folders and videos, allowing you to manage your content seamlessly. Now locate the folder you want to share. Once you are logged in, look for the Folders section on your dashboard. You'll see all your created folders displayed as cards. Each folder contains videos and possibly other content you wish to share. Take your time to find the correct folder, as this ensures you share the right materials with your audience. This careful selection saves you from any confusion later on. After that, click the three dots icon on the folder card or open the folder and click Share at the top right. The three dots icon represents more options available for that folder. When you click it, a menu will appear. Alternatively, if you have opened the folder, look for the Share button located at the top right corner. This action is important because it leads you to the sharing options where you can adjust the visibility settings. Next, toggle the visibility setting to public. This step allows anyone with the link to access the folder. You will usually see a toggle switch or a drop-down menu. Make sure to set this to public. This is essential because if the folder is not public, the people you share it with won't be able to view its contents. Now, click Copy Link to save the folder URL to your clipboard. This button is typically found near the visibility settings. Clicking it will copy the link directly, making it easy for you to share. You will see a small confirmation message indicating that the link has been copied. This ensures you have the correct URL ready for sharing without any hassle. Lastly, paste and send the link via email, Slack, or any messaging platform. Take the copied link and open your preferred communication tool. Paste the link into a message and send it to your recipients. This step effectively shares your content, allowing others to access your folder with ease. By following these steps, you can confidently share your Loom folder with anyone. Each action is designed to keep your sharing process smooth and efficient. Now you are ready to share your valuable content seamlessly. Forwarded.